This is a 1957 Ford Custom 300 sedan. It's a two-door sedan and definitely a modified engine under the hood here. The 445 cubic inch engine, like with triple carburation. Fits nicely in the engine bay. Really gets your attention with the red paint here. It has a 5-speed manual transmission. White stripe for accent. Dog dish hubcaps. And the basic upholstery that was typical of the 300. Nice taillights. It's nice to see the basic car preserved and modified. So this has been pretty much a sleeper here. Beautiful car, nice lines. And obviously a lot of money spent under the hood here.